I can't be a girl sometimes. This is why it's up all the time. Like, just get off of my lashes. Right. Oh, stuck. Ouch, that really hurt. Rip it out, why don't you? I'm trying to show them. Oh, God, this kill me. There's lots of hair in my face. Just stop. How annoying, right? Because it's a Sunday. Starbucks decided to close early, and I was like, are you having a laugh? The one time I go to Starbucks in Costa, like, they decided to, like, you know, close it. I felt some type of weight, and I was like, I didn't even like it that much anyway, you know what I mean? No, this is good though, it's really modern, it's very good. I don't want all that calories and shit.
Hi guys, it's Jazz, how are you? I hope you're alright. I am here today because I wanted to do, well, I wanted to do originally five curly tools that every curly head should have. So yeah, let's get started. The first one I would say is a Tangle Teezer. Why do I need a Tangle Teezer? We're not meant to brush our hair, Jazz. What's wrong with you? Are you normal? I am normal. But the reason why I said a Tangle Teezer is because when I'm in the shower and I need to I need to detangle my hair, using a normal brush or a wide tooth comb is draining and tiring and just too, yeah. Okay, I want to get it detangled and I want it to be done quickly and I want to not rip my hair out. So what I suggest is to get yourself a Tangle Teezer, because when you've got a ton of conditioner in your hair and you're trying to detangle a load of it, you want to get this bad boy out and brush through it. I love it because it actually shortens my detangling time. And it's plastic, so you can use it in the shower. It doesn't get mank, and yeah, it's just really simple. The only time I would brush my hair is in the shower, and in the shower only because if I did it now, I would be a massive puffball, and yeah, we don't want this life, okay? That's not the life I lead. Next brush that I love and is one of my holy grails, I'm sorry if there's loads of hair in it, but you know what, I don't care. I mean, it's a brush, get over it. And it's my hair. So it's this little mini dual brush thing. So like when I'm doing my updos and I want every little hair to go up in that bun or in that ponytail, or when I'm doing half up, half down sort of style, I still want it all to be nice and tight, you know. This is brilliant for that. So one obviously to like brush it all up, and then one for my little baby hairs. This side here is perfect for baby hairs, so you just like, yeah, look at that, look at that. Let's try that again. I don't think we, look, whoa! Oh, no, okay. Yeah, but you get the point. So this is perfect for both of them, for updos and for those pesky little baby hairs that you want to lay and want them to lay for good. They're perfect for them. These sort of brushes you can find in any sort of, you know, Afro-Caribbean drugstore, you know, like shops. And yeah, I mean, they're really inexpensive, £2.50 or something, nothing that much out of budget. But yeah, no, I suggest to go get yourself one if you enjoy a nice little updo. Sometimes it's good for your protective styles, that sort of thing. The next important thing that I rave about all the time is my Only Curls towel. So this is a microfiber towel. Obviously you don't need it to be Only Curls, but I love this brand. Like, this is one of the things that I can't live without, and it cuts my drying time by half. So when I'm drying my hair, I tend to want to speed in the process, I tend to want to speed the process as quickly as possible because my arm aches first. Secondly, I got things to do. Like, I ain't got to be doing this all day, every day, how many hours long, whatever. But this, oh my God, so get out the shower, your hair is drenched. So you just, you know, squeeze out all that moisture out within it, and put your hair up in a turban sort of situation with it, and just let it dry in it for a tiny bit. Get it out, get your hair dry out, and it used to take me about half an hour to dry my hair. Honestly, no joke, took me half an hour to dry these locks, yeah? But after getting me one of these, it now takes me 10 minutes, so brilliant. That's exactly what I want. I want something quick and, you know, handy, and this towel by Only Curls does the job. You know, we talked about we're talking about tools, but like obviously I have to incorporate some sort of products in it because it wouldn't be me without incorporating some sort of product. So I bet you've heard about this product before. If not, you're missing out. Going back to the edges, and you've got a cute little updo style and you want those edges laid, or like you just want them to, yeah, you know what I mean, that whole look there, you need a really, really good like wax, styling wax, and this is a really good one by Gummy. This is sold in, like, again, all the beauty, Black Caribbean, Afro-Caribbean, you know, drugstores, and they're usually hidden. That's how great they are, okay? And Gummy, the red one, you get the red one, yeah? There's loads of different colors, but the red, yeah, lays those edges to sleep, okay, for eternity. They literally stay there. It's also really good if you're good at it, obviously, for when you're doing like K-Mos and stuff. You can literally whack it on and it literally stays, like, it just holds it there, the two pieces, and then you can like K-Mo. Obviously I'm rubbish at that, otherwise, you know, I'll do it more, but that's what it does. It's just such a good product. I'm not too sure what's in this, but all I know is that it works, and actually it's since using this, I feel like, obviously I've got a lot of hair anyway, but my edges are like really thick, like more thicker, and I feel like it's because of this product, because I don't really do much else with them. But yeah, get yourself some Gummy, and I bet it's online as well, to be fair. It's really inexpensive. I mean, I bought it for myself for like £5, so it's not that expensive. But yeah, get yourself some of it. The next thing that I love and adore, and I feel like every girl should have it, is, I know it's just a comb, but it's not about this part, it's about this part. Obviously I don't comb my hair, I don't brush my hair, but when I want to do a middle parting, this is perfect. When I want to, you know, do different sort of styles, it's perfect. Get yourself one of these, because, like, yeah, why not? I mean, it's important for, you know, to have, you know, the partings in the correct place, that sort of thing. And I just use it sometimes to just, yes, volumize the curls, you know. Oh, stuck, ouch, that really hurt. Rip it out, why don't you? I'm trying to show them. But yeah, volumize the curls. Yeah, be a diva. No curly video is complete without me saying about a product, a curly product, a styling product. This is me, okay? I'm sorry, okay? I am sorry that I love curly product, okay? This is why I do this. I do this to speak about the curly products, okay? And I like Cantu, okay? I like Cantu. Put down below what accent I just did, because what Arab accent I just did. I just made it a whole lot of simplified for you. And yeah, write it down below for me. This is Cantu, obviously. And it's the moisturizing curl activator cream. I really like it. It's a 10. It's a 10. So I can't live without this product. Ever since using it, my hair just looks way more defined. It's more bouncy, and there's a lot of volume there. More volume than before, and it just makes it a lot more shinier. So Cantu has obviously no sulfates, no parabens, no silicons or mineral oil. So yeah, mostly natural products. I'm not going to say it's 100%, but you can actually get this in some Superdrug stores. Actually, I've seen it in Superdrug. Again, the Afro-Asia Caribbean shops, you know, that sell hair. And yeah, it is a really good cream that defines your curls and volumizes it from the root as well, like volumizes your hair from the root. But yeah, so that was it. I am done. I hope you've liked this video. Comment down below if you like this whole middle part situation. I usually wear my hair like that. I usually wear my hair like that, but I thought I'd look a bit more, oh, what's going on? I'll try something new and do a middle parting situation. Comment down below, let me know, because I don't actually wear my hair like this much. But if you like it, then I will, obviously. I really enjoyed filming this video for you guys. Please comment, like and subscribe. And yeah, I am going to be dedicated to doing 2 videos a week. I know you've heard this before, but I really wanted to share with you reasons behind why I don't do them often. It's because I am in full-time employment as well. I am doing around 50 hours a week, and I have been suffering with a lot of anxiety lately. So being in front of the camera and being on social media isn't the right sort of thing for me, and I just wanted to let you guys know that is the reason. And I want to carry on doing this because it's actually something I really love to do, and I missed it, to be fair. But this is not the end, this is only the beginning, and I will be back, I promise. Love you lots, and I'll see you soon.